So, now we are moving to the next question, that is question number 36. So, question number 36 is on your screen. Which of the following pairs of compound is isoelectronic and isostructural? Now, we are moving to the solution part. So, they asked about the isoelectronic. So, for that we have to count the total electron count. So, for this compound, the valence electron for Te is coming as 6 plus 7 into 2, that is 14 plus 6, that is 20. For this XeF2, that is for Xe, for xenon it is coming as 8 plus, that is also 7 into 2, that is 14, and 14, that is coming as 22. So, this is not the isoelectronic species, because total electron count is different. Now, we again go for this option number 2. For iodine it is coming as 7 plus bromine 2 into 7 plus 1 because of this minus. So, 7 plus 14 plus your 1, that is 8, and overall is coming as 22. For another one XeF2, for Xe it is coming as 8, for F2 7 into 2, that is 14, 14 plus 8 is become 22. So, see these two are same, this total electron count is same. So, this option number 2 is an isoelectronic and isostructural. So, option number 2 is the correct answer of your question number 36. So, question number 37 is on your screen. So, which of the following reaction is appropriate for converting acetamide to methanamide? So, this question is come from your nitrogen containing compound from your class 12 NCERT, and if you see, the correct option is the Hofmann bromomide. Hofmann bromomide is the correct answer of this equation, that is this question. Okay. So, this directly come from your NCERT. So, if you go to the NCERT, that is nitrogen containing compound, you will find the reaction of Hofmann bromomide. So, option number 1 is the correct answer of question number 37. Now, we are moving to the another question, that is question number 38. So, question number 38 is on your screen. Of the following, which is the product formed when cyclohexanone undergoes aldol condensation followed by heating? So, now we are moving to the solution part. So, if you see, they ask about cyclohexanone. So, what is the structure of cyclohexanone? So, this is the structure of cyclohexanone, and they are saying that aldol condensation, for aldol condensation we are using a base. Okay. So, we are using a basic aldol condensation. So, OH. So, when this OH will present, what will happen? It abstract the proton. So, what will happen? You will end up with, it abstract this proton, and you are end up with this kind of intermediate. Now, this one is attacked with another cyclohexanone, and if you see, this carbon is an electrophile and this act as a nucleophile. So, what will happen? It will come here, attack at this position, and this bond will shift it on that side. So, what you got? You will get this kind of product. Now, after that, when it react with H2O, in H2O what will happen? H plus and OH minus is there. So, it take this H plus and it will form this kind of product. Now, this one is undergo tautomerization. So, if you go tautomerization, that is if you remove the water molecule, so what will happen here? Hydrogen is there and it having this lone pair. So, what will happen? It will abstract this proton. So, here it is coming as OH2, then this minus sign will be going on this and water molecule will be getted out. So, what you are end up? You are end up with this kind of product. So, this is your product. So, see option which one is matching with this structure. If you see the option number 1, see this is the position, like see if I am position here 1 and 2, here also it is become 1 and 2. This is not possible because no two ketones will be in OH and double bond, this is not possible, this is also not possible. So, option number 1 is the correct answer of question number 38. So, it is very simple. See again I am repeating, here cyclohexanone is there, here this is the acidic proton. So, what will happen? Base abstract this proton. So, as a result here minus will be developed and it is act as a nucleophile right now. Now, this carbon is an electron deficient carbon, that is electrophile, and this nucleophile will go attack with this carbon and this bond will be shifted on this side. So, this types of adduct you will got. Now, here water molecule is there. So, water is distributed H plus and OH minus. So, this H plus is taken by this O minus and you will get this product. Now, after removal of water molecule, how it will remove? See here is a lone pair is there, this lone pair will abstract this proton and this bond will be shifted here. So, this is minus sign. Now, this minus will going this side and this water molecule here removed and you will get a double bond on this structure. So, question number 1, sorry, the option number 1 is the correct answer of your question number 38. So, now we are moving to the another question, that is question number 39. So, question number 39 is on your screen. So, which of the following statement is not correct? So, let us see the solutions. So, if you see this types of question, when correct, not correct, they are asking, first mark it, they asked about the non-correct statement which is not correct. So, Ava albumin is a simple food reservoir, that is correct. Blood proteins thrombin and fibrinogens are involved in blood clotting, that is also correct. Denaturation makes the proteins more active, no. Denaturation, it means it always break down the protein, that is protein structures will be destroyed, it will not active. So, this is the correct statement, means this is not a correct, but for this question what they are asking, that is not correct statement. So, option number 3 is the correct answer of your question number 39, and this question is asked from your biomolecule chapter of your class 12 NCERT. So, question number 40 is on your screen. Which one is the correct order of acidity? Now, we are moving to the solution part. So, here if you see the correct order of acidity, they ask. So, always remember percentage of S character is directly proportional to your acidity. Now, if you see this is alkyne, this is also alkyne, this is alkene and this is your alkene. So, in alkyne, not in alkyne like Sp, Sp2 and Sp3. So, percentage of S character if you see here, here 50%, Sp2 33.3% and here it is coming as 25%. So, if I am asking which one is more acidic, so your Sp will be more acidic than your Sp3. So, in these options if you see, this is your Sp3, that is possible. In the back side Sp3, this option is also possible, but if you see here it is Sp. So, Sp is the highest acidic strength, but here in the options they are showing is the lowest. So, option number 3 we can neglect it out. Now, in option number 4 if you see, this is your highest acidity, but there it is showing as lowest. So, this option number 4 also we can neglect it out. So, we have only two options, option number 1 and option number 2. So, if you see here this is also Sp, this is also an Sp and this is Sp2, this is Sp3. Now, if you see here one donating group is there, but here no donating group, One more thing, electron withdrawing group is directly proportional to acidity and electron donating group is inversely proportional to acidity. So, if you see in this, maybe it is having a sp carbon, but they having this this donating group, electron donating group. So, electron donating is not a good favor of acidity. So, this sp carbon or this alkyne will be the less acidic if I am compared with the first one. So, correct one, option 1 is the correct answer of question number 40. Now, option number 2 also you can check, here also sp is there, but this is sp2. So, this is not, and here sp again. So, this is not possible. So, option number 2 also we can neglect it out. So, option number 1 we have to left it out, and this is the correct answer of question number 40. Now, we are moving to the next question, that is question number 41. So, question number 41 is on your screen. Extraction of gold and silver involves leaching with cyanide ion. Silver is later recovered by. So, this question, the question number 41 is come from your metallurgy part, and that is given in your class 12 NCERT. So, this is very common, like if you see the option, the displacement with zinc. So, this is the correct answer of the question number 41, and it is a direct statement from your metallurgy chapter which is come in the class 12 NCERT. So, the correct answer here option number 3, that is displacement with zinc. Now, we are moving to the next question, that is question number 42. So, question number 42 is on your screen. The correct statement regarding electrophile is. So, now we are moving to the solution part. So, if you see first statement electrophile, and they asked about here the correct statement. So, first mark it the correct. Okay. Now, see the option number 1, electrophile is negatively charged species. No, that is completely wrong. It is not a negatively charged species. Electrophile we always be write in the form, so it is a positive species or a neutral species. So, electrophile are generally a neutral species and can form bond by accepting a pair of electrons from nucleophile. Here they are saying only a neutral species. Okay. If you see the third option, electrophile can be either neutral or positive charge species. So, this is the correct statement. Here they are not saying the it is a positively charged species, or they are just saying that it is a neutral species. So, this is not the correct option. So, option number 3 is a correct statement for the question number 42, and this is a very basic, the first concept, that is basic concept of organic chemistry, which is in class 11 chapter. Okay. So, now question number 43 is on your screen. So, consider the reaction, they given the reaction and they ask you identify A, X, Y and Z. So, now we are moving to the solution part. So, question number 43 is very easy, do not confuse whatever given here, just focus on this silver mirror test or silver mirror is observed. So, this silver mirror is given by your aldehyde and alpha hydroxy ketone. So, it means whatever A is there, it should be your aldehyde or an alpha hydroxy ketone. You just focus to silver mirror test. If you know who will give the silver mirror positive set, you can easily answer this question. So, who will show the positive set? One is aldehyde, another is alpha hydroxy ketone. Now, we are moving to the options whatever they are given. So, if you see the option number 1, so I know the silver mirror is given by your aldehyde or your alpha hydroxy ketone, which your A compound. Okay. Now, see A is A methoxymethane. So, it is nothing but this is your ether like CH3OCH3. So, this is nothing but this is your ether. So, this option number 1 is not possible because we need aldehyde. Now they are asking about ethanol. Yes, this is one more compound ethanol because this is an aldehyde. So option number 2. Now if you see the option number 3 ethanol, so it is an alcohol, so this is not possible. Now again option number 4 methoxymethane, so we can neglect it, this 4. So only left out answer is option number 2, where the first compound is ethanol and ethanol is nothing but this is an aldehyde. So if you see the option number 3 and option number 2, so this is all means alcohol is not possible. So option number 2, here this L, that is means it is an aldehydic compound, and we know that for A it should be an aldehyde and alpha hydroxyketone because they only give the silver mirror test. So option number 2, this is the correct answer of this question. So now we are moving to the next question, that is question number 44. So question number 44 is on your screen. The IUPAC name of the compound. So it is a very easy question which is come from the 11th chemistry chapter, the first chapter, that is the nomenclature of organic compounds. So let us see the solution. So for this you have to know the priority order. Okay. So priority of aldehydic group will come first, then your ketonic group. So your numbering start from this position like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in one position you have an aldehydic group, in third position you have a ketonic group, and in the second position you have a methyl group. So if you see in the compound 3, so the position of this aldehydic group is 1, for ketonic group it is coming as 3, and for methyl it should be as second position. So now just see the options. So first of all, if you see 5 formyl hexane, no, this is not possible, and 3 1, no, this is not the parent, because you have to see the priority, your aldehyde will come first, then your ketone. So aldehyde, for aldehyde we are using L, and for ketone we are using 1. Okay, for this is not possible. Now option number 2, if you see here also L is there, okay, but if you see the 5 methyl, but methyl position is should be a second, so this is also you can cancel it out. Now option number 3 keto, yes, 2 methyl, yes, methyl position 2 group, hex, yes, 6 carbon is there, 5 enol. Okay, in the if you see the number of double bonds, that it is coming in the 5 position. And if you see the fourth one 3 keto, yes, this is possible, 2 methyl, this is also possible, hex, 4 enol. So if you see this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in fourth position this alkene group is present. So in this position if you see the 5 enol, I already told that your double bond position should be a fourth position. So it should not be fifth position, it should be in fourth position. So option number 4, where third position keto group is there, second position methyl group is there, 6 carbon is there, that is why they are using hex, and in the fourth position your double bond is present and L is your aldehydic group. So option number 4 is the correct answer of this question. Now we are moving to the last question, that is question number 45. So question number 45 is on your screen, which is the incorrect statement. So now we are moving to the solution part. So if you see this statement, density decrease, so these all statements is taken from your solid state chapter of your class 12 NCERT. These all statements are taken from this, okay, and they ask you the incorrect statement. So let us say density decreases in case of crystal with scotic defect, that is true. So this is not the correct option because they are asking incorrect and this is a true statement. NaCl is an insulator, silicon is a semiconductor, silver is a conductor, quartz is a piezoelectric crystal. This is also a true statement. So, this is not our correct statement. Now, if you see the option number 3, Frankel defect is favored in those ionic compounds in which size of cations and anions are no, this is not possible, not for almost equal, they are use it for the larger cations and anions. So, they not larger, actually the cations and anion size difference should be there, it is not equal. So, this is the false statement. And if you see FeO 0.9 has a non-stoichiometric metal deficiency, this is also a wrong statement. So, option number 3 and option number 4, option number 3 and option number 4 is the correct answer of your question number 45. So, this is the last question of 45 question number, and we get 2 options, that is option number 3 and option number 4.
Closed vascular bundles lack option number A cambium, option number B pith, option number C ground tissue, and option number D conjunctive tissue. This is a very easy question and it has come from the chapter Anatomy of Flowering Plant.